So expanded form means that we have a number like this, and instead of just writing it in this form, which is called standard form, like a regular old form that we use to write numbers, we're going to expand it out. So we're going to first find what this 5 stands for. It's in the hundredths place, so it stands for 500. Then we're going to move to this and we're going to do, what does this 3 stand for? And we're going to put a plus 30. And then what does this 2 stand for? And this is expanded form. So if you have more digits like this, we're going to say, what does this 5 stand for? It stands for 50,000 plus 0 plus 300 plus 20 plus 5. So this is expanded form, and it means that we're expanding each digit out to the number that it really represents. So this is not really a 5, it's a 50,000, and so on. Okay, for rounding, if they ask you to round to a number, say the underlined digit, or the tens in this case, you're going to go to the neighbor and you're going to say 5 or more, let it soar. So the number that's underlined would go up 1. So the 6 would turn into a 7. And anything after turns to a 0. That's if it's 5 or more. But this is 4 or less. So a 2 is less. So this is going to stay a 6, and everything after it's going to turn to a 0. So we say 5 or more, let it soar. 4 or less, let it rest. The underlined digit rests at the number that it is, or it's going to soar up if the digit to the right is 5 or more. So we're going to rewrite everything up until the underlined digit. Then we're going to decide, does it turn to a 7 or does it stay a 6? It stays a 6 because the number to the right is 4 or less. Let's do another one. 5, 8, 2, 7. So if I'm rounding to the thousands, I'm going to underline the thousands digit, and then I'm going to go to the right and I'm going to say 5 or more, let it soar. 4 or less, let it rest. And this is 5 or more, so the underlined digit soars up to one number above where it is now to 6,000. Okay, so those are the two things that I want you to focus on, plus the addition, which we're just going to work from the ones digit all the way over. 6 plus 1 is 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. Let's make this a bigger number. 6 plus 4 is 10, so we put the 0 here and we carry the 1. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 5 is 10. So that is our answer. For division, we're going to do daddy, mommy, sister, brother, dog. First we divide, then we multiply, then we subtract, then we bring down. So this is 3 goes into 6 2 times. Now we multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. Now we subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. Then we bring down. So we bring down this 3. 3 goes into 3, so now we're dividing again. 1 time, multiply. 1 times 3 is 3. Now we subtract. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now we bring down. Now we go back up to division as many times until we've run out of stuff to bring down. And we're going to do 3 goes into 6 2 times. 3 times 2 is 6, so that's our multiplying. Now we're going to subtract. If the answer is 0 here and we have nothing left to bring down, then this is our answer. If there is a number here, then we would write remainder and then whatever that number is. So those are the ones that I would like you to do. I gave Mom some of the pages that are circled, and an example is like on page 12. You're going to do number 4, 5, 6. Page 14, you're going to do 3, 5, 7, 10. And then all the ones that I sent Mom as well. Number 16, you're going to work on number 2, number 1, number 5, 6, 11, and 12. And you're going to keep looking for the ones that are subtraction, like page 18, number 4 and 6. Number 9 on that same page is an addition. And then number 14 on that page is a rounding. So you're going to look for all of those, and you're going to try to do some of those every single day. Okay, Jacob, I look forward to seeing you soon, honey.